In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to Canva text, just like this. Now, this is also known as an outline, and it's actually really easy to do. Once you have your text on the canvas like this, we simply want to click on there. Then we're going to come up to the effects section just here. Now, there's a few different options that we can play with hollow, splice and outline. Now the best one to put a border around your text is going to be this outline feature just here. Now that we've clicked on there, we can see we've got a slight border or an outline. Now to change the color of this, we can simply click here onto this little color circle, and then we can choose the color from the default colors just here. We could choose a yellow or a green, or in this case a black. Now what we can also do is click onto this little plus icon, and then we can add the hex code of any color just here. We can also play around with the color palette, which is here as well, and we can even use the eyedropper as well, which is just here. Now if we click on there, this allows us to take any color from our design, or which is on this Canva screen. So let's go with this dark purple just like that. If we click on there, then that border has been changed. Now for this example, let's just go back to black just here, just like that, because we can also increase this border weight as well by using this thickness bar. If we increase that like so, we can see that the border gets thicker, and if we decrease this, it's going to get thinner. So let's put it round about there. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to add a border to Canva text. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.